Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. And today we will be learning about ROS nodes and ROS topics and do some exciting stuff with it. So a quick overview of some concepts. ROS nodes are basically software processes that perform some tasks and uses the ROS master to communicate with other nodes in the system. And ROS topic, they are more like a medium for information transfer. They transmit information between ROS nodes, and nodes can publish messages to a topic as well as subscribe to a topic to receive messages. While ROS messages are simple data structure, they are the data type used when subscribing or publishing to a topic. And ROS master is a name service for ROS, which helps nodes find each other. And this is a graphical representation of how they all works. The publisher node publishes messages to the topic, which is received by the subscriber, which means a publisher node cannot send messages directly to the subscriber. So we need a topic so we can transmit messages between nodes. So here we are at the ROS wiki page. The first thing we are going to do is to run the ROS for in order for ROS nodes to communicate. So let's do that. So we are going to open a new terminal and use ROS node to see the current running node. So let's open a new terminal and just run ROS. You can see we only have ROS out node running, which is as a result of the ROS call command. And to get more information about the particular node, we can use the ROS node info to do that. So ROS out. And you can see it returned information about the ROS out node. So let's take a look at some other nodes by using ROS run, which allows you to directly run a node within a package without knowing the path. We use the turtle sim node as an example. So let's go ahead and do that. ROS run the package name turtle sim and the node name, which is turtle sim node. Okay, let's run that. And you can see it brings up a turtle sim window. And don't worry if your turtle looks different, it's fine. So let's check our node list again in a new terminal. Let's open a new terminal. Let's check our node list again. So ROS. You can see we have a new node, which is the turtle sim. Currently, our turtle is static, The next thing we are going to do is to try and move it around. So to move our turtle around, let's go ahead and run this command. Was run turtle uh, tally up key. So let's run that, and you can see use arrow keys to move the turtle and Q to quit. So you can press the arrow key on your keyboard, and you can see we were able to move our turtle around. You can see, exciting, right? Now that we can drive our turtle around, let's take a look at what is happening behind the scene. And to do that, we need to install the RQ and the RQT graph, which I have already installed. So use the this command to install it and resume the video when you are done. So moving forward, in a new terminal, we are going to run this. Know what is happening behind the scene. There should be a pop-up. Okay, you can see the output graph return this, and if you place your cursor on the diagram, the ROS nodes are in blue and green, while the topic is in red, which means the turtle teleup is publishing a message, which is the keys we are pressing on our keyboard. Is publishing it to the topic, which is the command velocity, and the subscriber, which is our turtle sim, is receiving the message to know, oh, did I move to the right or the left, go forward, go back. So you get the concept. So we can also check the message type our publisher is sending to the topic, and to do that we can open another terminal and just run ROS topic I, then our our topic, which is a turtle and command velocity. So oh, I made a mistake. I forgot. And you can see our message type is twist. And to get more info about the message and the message type, you run this command and use the ROS message command. So you can see the data type is float XYZ. The next thing we are going to do is look at how you can publish data um, to a topic by using the ROS topic pub command. So, and using the example in the ROS wiki, let's copy the command and just run it. Oh, let me do that again so we can see what our turtle did. You can see our turtle moved in the specified coordinates. So that will be all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And make sure you subscribe to the channel. Yeah, so thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.